Do you have rust and pitting on your Razor dirt bike wheels? Well, here's a simple way to get rid of it. What you're going to do is get some of this bartender keeper, mix it in a jar like this, and then I'm going to spread on using a toothbrush and then let it sit for about 5 minutes, then use the bristle brush. What I got here is put some of the bartender's keeper on here and then use a old toothbrush, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread that on there really good all the way around. Okay, I let this sit for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to use this brass bristle brush. The product is linked in the description below. Alright, I was polishing that wheel for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to go and get the funk off this. Now you can see all those rust pitting is gone. Looks like a brand new wheel. I'm going to degrease this hub and then reinstall it. It looks like brand new. I hope you liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.